na po. Ito na lang po. Ito na lang po.
Hindi.
Sige. Lalapit. Sige po. Forward na lang muna sila, forward. Pababayin ko lang po, ma'am, tapos papalapitin natin. Tapos doon kayo sakay sa white, ma'am. Tama po ba?
Yes.
Okay, wait lang po. Pababayin mo lang po itong customers. Brad, pababayin mo lang. Franz, pagkababa nila, lapit ka pa, sasakay pa. Brad! Sir. Sige na po. Atras ka. Tatlong boats lang, right? Sige po. Ma'am, tanong na po. Ma'am, pasensya na po. Salamat. Thank you, sir. Right, tanggalin mo muna ulit.
Nakasakay.
Brad, atras.
Wala ka.
Sila na lang.
Do you have one more mic? Wala na po ng staff dito. Shayna!
Sir. Sasakay po sila. Sabay niyo po sila.
Para makapag-vlog sila at makapag-hi sa mga tao. One more mic.
Bale, ma'am, magde-dead slow lang ako para mag-take time po tayo.
Yes po. Venice Piazza.
Sige po. Take a ride. Welcome. Hello. Hello.
Sorry. Yeah!
Hi, hello, Ralph.
Napunta na kayo dito.
Mega Real, hello.
Ade, nanood ako dito ng premiere ng 50 Shades.
Hello.
Kaya naman. Paano namin manood mamaya?
You're good na? Okay. We're waiting for the microphone and everything.
O, paano yan? Ba't naka-film? Nakaharap sa'yo eh. Ayos ako. Mag-update lang ako. Ayan, pwede mo hawakan. Venice Piazza, Canal Mall. Tama ko na. Venice Piazza, Canal Mall.
Venice Grand Canal.
Venice Grand Canal. Venice Grand Canal Mall. Riding.
Sakay na kayo, tol. What up, everybody? Wala pa tao.
So useless na to. Ayan. Hello everybody.
What's up, everybody?
Right now we are at the Venice Grand Canal.
It's gonna be awesome, guys.
Venice Piazza.
It's like the Dolce More, you know what I'm saying, yeah. Hi, guys.
Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao.
Brother, hi ka. Ciao.
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 Arrivederci.
Sige, ciao. Justin.
Say buonasera.
Wala, nawala yung mga nanonood. Joke lang. Joke lang. Go the water. Oh, you can see
There,
that.
here.
Yeah, oh. It's so nice. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Alright.
Okay, let's go.
Back.
Okay. Okay.
Tara.
We're good.
Yeah. Alright guys,
What's
it's
your
time
name? Sorry.
to
Hello, Ralph.
go around.
Nice meeting you. Sorry.
Ciao from Australia. Ciao. Ciao.
Dude, this is so awesome. Check it out, guys. Hi guys. Ciao! First time ko lang dito.
Picture daw.
Kumapagod siya. Hi guys. Hi guys. Kailangan mo na tingnan video.
Pwede kayo mag-hi ha. With the mic.
What's up guys? Louder! Hi guys! So first time nasali ko. Alam mo motor to, kung sa lahat. Jola, jola. What's up guys?
Ken, pwede kayo mag-hi.
Pwede ka magsalita.
Hi guys! Tapos dito na, this ends here. Ano ba kanyang may SOS? Alright. I love you! Thank you! Ikot na tayo, gusto the other side. O balik na. Let's check the other side. Yeah. I wanna
Magiging
stop.
submarine.
Di ba dapat makakanta ka?
Magiging submarine.
Oo, asa aso. Yeah.
Mag-isa.
Sorry. Ang sarap mag-swimming dito, no? Ang sarap mag-swimming. It's just like a giant swimming pool.
It's actually really nice here. Now it's breezy.
I know. Huh?
Lahat pa tayo may X and Y this February 15.
I love you. Huh?
Thank you!
What's up, Star Cinema? Di Grabe. Sobrang ganda dito. Check it out. Look at that. Wait lang. Picture ko lang to. Ganda ng ilaw, bro. Ilaw.
How we're going there pa sa isang set.
So nice, bro. I'll be good. What's up, guys? Bagay natin sila. Hi guys, I love you.
Sige naman daw.
Joke lang.
Kayo ng bayan ng Juan? Kailan po yun? February 15 na yung
No, 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 no. Can you throw money din pala may coins? So cool. Tarantado. Yeah. Sorry, Gago. I love you too, baby. Come on, baby. Grand Cafe. Sabo! What's up? What's up, guys? Hi, boss!
Guys, picture!
Happy birthday! Tapos na! Dito lang yun!
Look at the baby here.
Ilan na?
3.9K. Say hello to 3.9K viewers.
4K na.
4K.
We are now live right here, and it's crazy. Ciao! Say hi, guys. Hi! Hi, baby! I love you! It's so beautiful here. Yeah, it is the most amazing ball something I've ever been to. Itapon niyo yan! Itapon niyo yan! Itapon niyo yan! Tumbak lang ito! Ihilog niyo si Ate Nina!
Try mo na. Matawi guys yan eh. Pwede ko pa
Siya, siya. 2,000 baby. They get 3,000 likes. Viewers. Can you try? Bawal? Eh, nakatayo lang. Picture lang kayo.
Nakapanlakas ko.
Hi guys. Hi.
Kaya mo? Kaya.
Kaya yan! Kaya yan! Listen, kaya to. Pag-video daw si Jen.
Okay.
Ako maalalayan ko sila. Ako na.
Twist lang. Ay, paano mo pangalan? I'm done. Where's my food?
Binidyohan mo ka. So, in-exit ko sa live.
Hi guys, what's up, bro? Hi guys, what's up? Do it. But you won't need it anymore. Oh wow, that's awesome, dude.
Sing it up for me.
Hi guys. So, who's coming here on Valentine's Day?
I wanna know what turns you on. I wanna know, so I can be the one. I know this.
Okay. Hi everybody.
Hi,
This
everybody.
is Liza and Enrique, and
What's up?
we want to invite you to come here to the Venice Piazza Grand Canal on Valentine's Day.
The most romantic place to go to on Valentine's Day, guaranteed, guys.
And don't forget when you come here to watch My X and Y's this February 15th, let us be your Valentine's Day. And I'm sure lahat kayo uuwi ng sobrang saya. Thank you. Hi guys!
guys.
We're here at the Venice Piazza Grand Canal, and we hope that you guys can watch My X and Y's. It would be really nice if you guys watch it here because it's such a romantic place.
I know.
Perfect for Valentine's Day. And we hope you guys enjoyed the movie this February 15th po in cinemas nationwide.
Can we go? Okay, then. We're gonna get off there. Send your card.
Doon ulit.
Parang, doon tayo, no?
Sakay bumaba.
Piazza or Plaza? It's Piazza.
Yes.
know. I don't know.
Okay, kuya, kuya. One more, 1, 2.
Hindi. It's a mess. Palit ba ako? Then why? Ayun na, you hair job. Hair job? Is there such thing as a hair job?
Got your hair did.
Kuya. Bye. Bye, guys.
Picture. Ken, Hopi, here.
Ay, parang punang mukha. San Lima. San Lima.